I want to give you 4 steps to make $1 million from your email list. And these are 4 things that you are going to do every single day. And if you continuously do them, it should not be very hard to make $1 million from your list. Even if you have a small list, even if you're kind of just starting out and you're just trying to grow this thing, if you're trying to grow an email-based business, if we're being honest, that's most online businesses. That's where your sales are going to come from. They're going to come from your email list. So let's go through the 4 steps, because this should not be super difficult. It's going to take a little bit of work, obviously, just like anything else, but I've sold over $4 million worth of stuff to my list. I've sold tens of millions of dollars worth of stuff working for other people who have email lists. So here's the commonalities. You're going to do 4 things. Thing number 1 is you are going to start sending an email every single day. If you've watched some of my other videos, this should sound familiar. You're going to email every single day. You are going to make an email with an offer every single day. You're going to wake up. First thing you're going to do before you do anything else is you are going to pay yourself first. You're going to write that email. You're going to tell people what's going on. You're going to tell them a story. You're going to have some good content in that email. You're going to transition to a pitch for your product. And you're going to do this every single day. You're going to practice this. You're going to get good at it. If you need help understanding how to do this, you can watch some of the other videos on my channel. I kind of go through some examples and tutorials, things like that. But you're going to write an email every single day, and you are never going to stop. It's super simple to do. It's going to take you 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes tops, maybe a half an hour, 45 minutes if you really suck at writing, but definitely less than an hour, probably less than a half an hour. The reason why you do that is because the first thing you want to do every day is find a way to make your cash register ready. After you've done that, the second thing you're going to do is you are going to make a video on social every single day. So this could be a 30-second video, 60-second video, probably not much longer than that. If your list is small and it's not growing, you need to start growing your list. So one of the easiest ways to do that is with video content. So you woke up, you sent your email. As soon as you were done with that, you're going to fire up that video and you're going to post that video and you're going to do it again every single day. So we're kind of building like a new morning routine here. The reason why is because you need traffic. You need people to hit your opt-in pages and your landing pages so that they sign up for your email list. So that way, when you are writing your email tomorrow and the next day and the next day after that, you're going to have more people to sell to. Now, your videos, they could be live streams. They could be quick 10-second, 5-second TikTok things with a text over it. You know, you're walking and there's some text that people read. You're going to experiment. You're going to do a little bit of everything. You're going to find out what works. You're going to do it every single day. You're probably going to suck at first, but after you publish the first 5 or 10, you're probably going to figure out how to get pretty good at it. You're going to use these social media algorithms to get in front of more people, and whatever platforms you're on, just maybe use one of those softwares like Buffer or whatever, where you can upload it once and click a button and it goes out to all your platforms. You're going to interact with people who like it, shoot them messages. Hey, thanks for liking my video. Hey, thanks for dropping a comment. And you're going to start to build up a relationship with these people. Most people are scared shitless being on video. They do not want to do it. They're scared. They're terrified. They don't like the way they look. They don't like the way they sound. They think they look stupid. That's why they're not going to do it. So it is a high barrier to entry activity where you're not going to have a lot of competitors who are knocking you off, because for every person who posts videos online, there's 1,000 more who are too afraid to do it. That's why you want to do it. You want your face to start showing up everywhere so people can start to know you and recognize you. And eventually, after they see your face enough times, they're going to start watching your stuff. So this is like the idiot-proof way to grow your business. Like, if you just keep doing this, it will work. The third thing you're going to do is, now that people are starting to see your face, you are going to start making lists. Call it a Dream 100 or a Dream 200 or a Dream 300 or a Dream 500. Find as many people as you can who have your customers or clients already. If you're in digital products, other people who sell digital products, other people who are YouTubers, or people who have big Instagram accounts or big Twitter accounts or LinkedIn accounts or whatever. If you met them, it would probably be good for your business, because maybe they'd be an affiliate. Maybe you could do a guest post, or you can go on their podcast or whatever it is. So you're going to want to have a list of at least like 365 of these people, because what you're going to try to do is every single day you're going to try to make contact with one of these people. Now, it doesn't mean you're necessarily going to reach out and say like, hey, what's up? You never heard of me, but I'd love if you would be an affiliate for my product. Some of these people might be way higher level than you. Totally okay, right? But you're going to say, okay, how do I start getting into their orbit? Can I start replying to their comments? Can I start quote tweeting their stuff, or reposting their stuff, or sharing their stuff? Or can I make a post and tag them and say, a valuable lesson I learned from this person was blah, 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 and you should follow them? It sounds like stupid, but if you do this enough times with people and you're doing this every single day, those people are going to start to notice you after a while. And then eventually they might even DM you, or you might be able to DM them at a certain point after a number of touch points and say, hey, I really love your stuff. I'm a big fan. You know, would love if we collaborate, or would love to be a guest in your podcast one day, blah, 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 whatever. You're not going to get all of them, but if you write an email every day and you post a video every single day, and then you reach out to someone or start making a connection with one new person every single day who has your customers and clients, or the people that you want to do business to, again, all these people are out there, right? It's not like they're in the ether, like they're somewhere on someone else's list. So you can start making a relationship with people who've already built up a trust with the audience that you want to get in front of, right? So every single day, one new person. Really, all this should take probably less than an hour, the 1 hour work day, right? How do you work an hour a day? Like, you wrote an email, you posted a video, you reached out to someone or started building a connection with someone who can be an influential ally or partner in your business. And the fourth thing you're going to do is you're going to spend some time either working on new offers or scouting new offers. You're not going to have one offer for the rest of your life. It's just, your business is not going to work that way. You're going to have new products. You know, if you sell courses, you're going to to be launching new courses eventually. Like, it's very rare that you're going to have one course that you're going to sell for the next 40 years of your life. It's probably just not going to happen, even if it's a physical product, right? If you're in cosmetics, or if you're in fashion, or if you're in electronics, or like those things evolve. Like, you're always going to have to keep your finger on the pulse of the market and say, what new products are coming out? Do we need to tweak our existing offers, or should we be looking into developing new offers and new lines of business? Again, like, what is more important than those four things, right? You have conversions and sales happening with your email. You have traffic generation and lead capture happening with your videos. You have business development and partnerships development with your outreach. And then you have product development, which you're going to then take and then sell via email to the people you generated from your traffic efforts. If you do those four things and you do them every single day, you cannot fail. I mean, how would you fail if you did that? What's going to happen is people are going to watch this video and they're going to do it for like 7 days or 10 days, or maybe they'll like really tough it out and they'll do it for 30 days. And they're going to say, oh, I didn't make $1 million. It's like, okay, well, the gains they compound, right? Like, if you invest in an index fund today, you're not going to get rich in 30 days. You probably make a little bit of money, but the gains come over the long term, right? I know the analogy kind of breaks down to a certain point, but if you continuously do this every single day, 365 days a year, or maybe you do like batches, you'll write all your emails on Monday for the entire week. That's fine too. Whatever, it doesn't matter. As long as you have this stuff going out, or maybe you film 20 videos in one day and then you schedule them ahead of time for the month. That's okay too, right? But as long as you're producing something every single day and you're converting existing subscribers and customers, you are generating more traffic to grow your list and feed the machine for the email-based business, you are exploring partnerships with people who already have built up trust with your ideal customers or clients, and then you're developing new offers to sell to these people for the list that you're building, you can't fail. Give it a shot. Let me know how it goes.